2020 would be remembered not just as the year of lockdown but also for a number of important verdicts from the Supreme Court on constitutional issues as well as management of the pandemic. And most of these verdicts were delivered virtually, which marked a landmark shift in working of the Indian judiciary. Here is a quick recap. Centre was allowed to continue work on India-Myanmar-Thailand highway. The top court had allowed work to continue after the union government had submitted that repeated objections had put India's credibility and punctuality under question vis-a-vis China. The top court allowed trade in cryptocurrency by quashing RBI's April 2018 circular which had banned trade in cryptocurrency. The court allowed this trade in cryptocurrency, virtual currency and bitcoins. The Supreme Court declared right to access internet as a fundamental right, citing contemporary relevance of internet. The court ruled that any suspension of internet is subject to judicial review. While deciding a batch of petitions against internet ban in J&K, the court ordered periodic review of curfew and internet ban while striking a balance between liberty and security. The top court also gave permanent commission to women in armed forces while upholding a Delhi High Court order which had allowed permanent commission to women officers. The top court ruled that non-discrimination in employment is a fundamental right under law. The court observed that denial of permanent commission caused irreparable loss to women officers in terms of service and seniority and noted the commendable work they had done working shoulder to shoulder with their male counterparts. The apex court ruled that anticipatory bail cannot be given only for a fixed period of time and ruled that an order protecting a person from arrest can't be time-bound, though its tenure can be modified based on the nature of the case. The top court also took note of migrants struggling to make their way home, asking centre and states to facilitate their movement, ensure supply of basic essentials and employment opportunities. The court also gave periodic orders to governments on management of the pandemic and ensuring timely medical treatment. The top court had allowed CBI probe into an FIR filed in Bihar for an incident which occurred in Maharashtra and initiated CBI probe into the actor Sushant Singh Rajput's death case despite objections raised by Maharashtra government and Riya Chakravarti. The top court made it clear this year that no one can claim a fundamental right to reservation in public jobs. While ruling in a case for reservation and promotions in a government department in Uttarakhand, the apex court held that state governments cannot be forced to provide reservations. Also, the court deemed blockade of public roads in Shaheen Bagh as illegal, ruling that public places cannot be blocked for demonstrations or to express dissent. The court made it clear that protests can only be carried out at designated places while empowering police and administrative authorities to remove such blockades without waiting for court orders.